Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video, let's have a look at the Liquid Remix ROM for the LG V30. So this is the 2nd July build that I'm using and it works perfectly great for me. So let's have a look at all the features that this ROM offers. Now under the ambient display, you will have several options like battery level, tilt, wave to wake and stuff like that. But I'm using always on ambient display and that works perfectly great as well. As you can see here, there are some volume rocker options here as well. You had some customizations for the volume panel. These are a few animation options. Let me quickly show you the button options here. There are options of volume steps. You have volume key insert, volume panel on left, ring, notification, alarm, voice, Bluetooth. There is a lot of stuff here. Under gestures you will find stuff like double tap to sleep, swipe to screenshot, screen off, power torch, EOSP gestures, navigation gestures. This is pretty great stuff here. But if you are seeing this for first time, I'll just show it to you. As you can see here, this is the pie gesture mode. Let me enable the full one. And this is the launcher here. As you can see, works pretty decently. You even have the option of carbon gestures, app circle bar, gesture anywhere, navigation gestures are available here, similar to what OnePlus offers. You have pie control here, and that's pretty much it for this section. You have some keyboard customization options, lock screen options, lock screen shortcuts, face auto unlock, fingerprint unlock on reboot, media art cover, enable lock screen visualizer, and you can even adjust the temperature unit here. So all in all, this is a pretty great stuff. Under miscellaneous you will find stuff like privacy guard, activity blacklist, alarm blocker, and these are some of the advanced options here. You even have burn-in protection, so that's nice to have. Have navigation options, you have navigation mode, you have a few notification options here as well. The alarm button, vibrate on call, all such stuff. Let me go back. You have notification options here. You have the ticker. You have a few power menu customizations. You have quick setting stuff, smart pull down, brightness slider on bottom, running services icon, vibrate on touch. So as you can see, there is a lot of stuff here. And under recent panel you will have several options like Android Go, Stock and Quick Step. I'm currently using the Quick Steps, as you can see here. So this is it. And you have some status bar customizations. So as you can see, there are a lot of options here. So as you can see here, there is a lot of stuff here. And you have network, traffic, location options as well. VoLTE obviously does not work on custom ROMs as of now, and probably never will. Now in the display section you will find option of always on ambient display, and there is some theming options as well. Material Design 2, OnePlus. So the system UI will restart, and you have some UI styles, and you can make the background color light, dark or black. It works perfectly fine, no issues there. And under the sound section you will find the option of hi-fi codec as well, so that's nice to have. So this is pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. But talking about the performance and battery life, the battery life has been pretty great for me on this ROM, no issues for me. So talking about the battery, it has been pretty great for me, no issues whatsoever. everything works well, and as you can see there's PUBG Mobile here as well. So for me PUBG performed really well. I used smooth graphics and extreme FPS settings and it works perfectly well. I really love the experience that I got. So that's for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. I'll see you in my next video.